Hello everyone, welcome to Starnix Cloud. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to deploy any Streamlit application in Starnix Cloud. In the last video, I've shown you how easily you can deploy any Spring Boot application. This time, I'm going to show you how easy it is to deploy a Streamlit application. First, I'll show you the application that we are deploying. So this is a very basic application. I just want to show the deployment process, not Streamlit related tutorial. So this is a very basic application that takes a CSV data, a CSV file, and generates a dashboard. So let me show you this data. I'm selecting. This site is running on localhost, as you can see, and this is generating the data, whatever Streamlit application you make. This is also demo application. So this is the main application that we're going to deploy. This is the repository of that code of that project, and I'm going to deploy this repository. So in the Starnix Cloud home, I'll log in with my account. I have logged in. These are my services that are already running. I'll create a new service. I'll name it Streamlit demo, or like demo Streamlit. And for the repository, I'll copy the URL from here and I'll paste it here and I'll say create. In the meantime, it is creating the project. I'll just refresh it once. It's still provisioning. Just one thing keep in mind when you are creating the repository, always keep the main file name as streamlit app.py. This is a Streamlit convention. As you can see, Streamlit entry point can have any name, but most widely accepted standard convention is Streamlit app.py. This is a convention, this is a standard practice to keep the main file for Streamlit applications as streamlit underscore app.py. Without that, the hosting may fail initially. You can always contact me at support@starnix.in and get your project up and running. So let's see if it is deployed or not. It's active. In less than a minute, I would say. If I just see it, it has already detected everything. It is a Python project. The main file is Streamlit. It is running on port 8501 and the run command is Streamlit app.py. So here is the link. I will access it. See, this is the same project with a publicly accessible link. This link I will link in the description. I will attach this link in the description. You can check out this website, upload your own data, whatever. I will just show you by uploading the same file that it is indeed the same application that I showed you in localhost, but it is running on a hosted domain, as you can see. So that's how easy it is to host any Streamlit application with Starnix Cloud in a matter of minutes, you would say. And currently, every hosting you do here is free of cost. So log in, host, explore the platform, share among your friends. That will help me grow Starnix and provide better service. Anyway, so that was the point for this video. I hope you liked it. Do watch the Spring Boot demonstration as well. In upcoming videos, I will share more demonstrations and other concepts related to hosting, home labbing, CI/CD, and anything you can comment if you want to know. That's all for now. Uh, Thanks for watching and good night.